In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select one and access it in background apps. Then tap on the icon of it and select open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this line at the top. To move your window, hold the same line and drag it. If you want to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and to access it, tap on the bubble. Now to close it, you can hold your window and drag it to remove section. You can hold your bubble and do the same. Or you can swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!